Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the home. Shut off water and stop using toilets and appliances to prevent more sewage flow. Put on gloves, goggles, and rubber boots because raw sewage is hazardous. Locate the main cleanout, usually a capped pipe in the basement or yard, and have a wrench ready. Once you open the cleanout slowly to release pressure, check whether sewage exits. If you see backing up immediately, you can proceed with a drain auger or snake as the first active measure to clear the line. Once the cleanout is open, feed a drain auger into the pipe until you feel resistance. This is likely the clog. Rotate and push gently, then retract to pull debris out. Repeat in short bursts of 3 to 5 minutes so you don't overheat equipment and to clear buildup from the cable. Make sure to remove tangled waste from the auger between passes to maintain effectiveness. If you can't break the blockage or the line extends far beyond your tool's reach, consider a professional hydrojetter or camera inspection to avoid pipe damage. After clearing the clog, flush the sewer line with hot water to move residual debris. Follow with a diluted bleach solution to disinfect surfaces and ventilate the area to dissipate fumes. Make sure to wear PPE when handling chemicals. Restore the cleanout cap and run water through multiple fixtures to confirm steady flow. Once done, watch for slow drains or odors. If backups return within 72 hours, that's a sign of a deeper issue. Schedule a camera inspection to check for tree roots, broken pipes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.